I see that it's changed. It certainly changed the way we're doing things with our clients in our world. But as a consumer, I really haven't seen the same thing. I'm still getting, I mean, last week I ordered a little package of socks from a retailer whose name I won't mention, but it's a pretty big retailer. And it came in a box that was, probably this big and this tall with air pillows in it.
Right.
Why would you put air pillows in a box of socks? So I don't think that it's really trickled down through the entire industry yet, and I think people still are being very wasteful. You order things from, cosmetics companies, and they're putting, little boxes of nail polishes in big boxes and filling it up with sizzle. I think that eventually the consumer is going to get educated that these transportation costs are embedded in the cost of their product or the cost of their, the transportation spend, and they're going to start getting annoyed that you're getting a big box of something which is mostly air, and really putting dunnage in apparel, that's
Doesn't make any
just
sense.
silly.
Yeah. And then another thing kind of interesting, I just talked to somebody recently, like an analyst, about the impact of DIM, and he's saying that a lot of companies just now are waking up to it who hadn't been, because now first quarter's done, numbers are in, and some freight costs are, busting the budget. And so like the numbers counters, the CFOs are coming to them and saying, what's up with this bill? So now that the first quarter results are in, maybe it's become a little bit more real, and maybe
Yeah.
people are going to start reacting more than they had been.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm quite honestly surprised that they haven't seen it, their first bill that came in from, the big carriers, because that was such a huge increase. Such a huge increase.
Yeah.
So it's not, your average cost per package could have gone up by more than $2 with, just from before December 30th to after, January 1st. So it's a very material change.